Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss everything that is happening in electric vehicle ecosystem in India. I come here regularly to make videos about electric cars, electric bikes and electric vehicle charging stations. So before I begin with today's important news guys, do subscribe to the channel in case you want to stay updated about everything that is happening in electric vehicle ecosystem in India. So guys, today's important news or article shall I say is about Tata. I've been telling it multiple times that there are a lot of new models, a lot of new electric models that are going to be launched in this particular year. 2021 is going to be the year of electric vehicles, and Tata is one of the companies that has really done well in this segment. There are right now two cars in this electric vehicle segment: Tata Nexon EV and Tata Tiger EV. Tata Nexon EV somewhere you will get around 13 lakh rupees and Tata Tiger EV around 9.5 lakh rupees ex showroom price. So but the Tata Nexon has done a really good job because I have already told that the maximum market share is held by Tata Nexon. 60% of the electric cars sold in India were Tata Nexon EV. So that's why Tata has done a good job. But also in this year, other two new models are anticipated to be launched. Number one is what you see on the top right corner of the screen, that is Tata Altroz EV. That is what is going to be launched. When exactly is not known, but I guess it will be launched in the somewhere around second half of this year. And then the next model is HBX concept model, which has been revealed by Tata. However, it is anticipated that its electric version will also be launched because the platform on which it runs is the same as Tata Nexon EV. So probably, since Tata has already built electric capabilities on that platform, it is highly probable that Tata might launch its electric version as well. Apart from this, the other companies which are leading in terms of total car sales are Maruti and Hyundai. So this year, Maruti and Hyundai were number one and number two, and then Tata is following them closely, in not in just terms of electric vehicle sales but total vehicle sales in 2021. So these are the two models we have to look out for. And and it is also now being anticipated that even Tata Harrier or new Tata Safari which is coming might come into electric version in future, but I don't think that they will be coming in 2021. I don't think the Tata Safari or Tata Harrier electric version will come in 2021. I just don't think so. I feel that Tata is gonna take time, see the performance of the models it has: Tata Tiger EV, Tata Nexon EV, and upcoming Tata Altroz EV, which I think will compete with Mahindra's EKUV version. So Mahindra EKUV is said to be the cheapest car if it comes at that particular price. So but I think there will be tight competition between Mahindra EKUV and Tata Altroz EV. So we have to look out for. However, Safari and Harrier, I don't think so it's gonna come, but Tata's executives have said that electric is at the center of its policy, electrification of vehicles, and so we have to watch out for that. All right, guys. Tata Nexon's EV's specification I've already discussed multiple times. I won't discuss, but I'll just give you a brief that it has 300 kilometer claimed range, 312 kilometers, but people say it gives around a range of 250 kilometers, and it comes with a 30 unit battery pack. Moving on to the next news, guys. It's about a tweet from Elon Musk, and he has confirmed in the tweet that Tesla is coming to India. I mean, I have been discussing multiple times that Tesla is coming to India. Tesla actually has already come to India, but not the Tesla cars, but the Tesla's R&D unit in Bangalore, which I have already stated in my past videos that Tesla is launching its R&D center in Bangalore. I believe that they have launched this R&D center just to do some research, observe the market, and established a legal presence in India. So Tesla has now officially started the registration. It is gonna make a fully owned subsidiary, a company which will be fully owned by Tesla, overseas, and it has actually found few people in India to head that. They have found a chief accounting officer whose name is Vaibhav Taneja, and they have also found Bangalore based entrepreneur Venkat Rangam Sriram to be on board of Tesla India Motors. So Tesla has established an Indian company, Tesla India Motors and Energy Private Limited. So this will be the company which will be doing the business in India. uh, now the question is that how Tesla will be bringing the cars. My gut feeling is that primarily it will follow the completely built unit model. It will just import the cars, or I guess it will get the parts assembled in India. But full manufacturing is something I'm not seeing for next 1 or 2 years. But definitely there is a lot of hype around Tesla. Now the question is that at what price can Tesla come, because the competitors, the MG-ZS EV, it's not a sedan, but the range that MG-ZS EV or Hyundai Kona EV offers is same as Tesla's S3 model, the lowest model, but the price is almost double. You get that, you get Tesla Model 3 at 50 to 55 lakhs, including import duties and everything. But Hyundai Kona you will get around 20 lakhs, 20 to 25 lakhs. So there is no price competition. But I do agree that there is a lot of craze around Tesla, so people might be ready to pay a bit of premium. But we'll have to see, because India is a very price conscious market. So we'll have to see how Tesla fares in that particular sense. Now moving on to the next news, guys, it is from Mangaluru. Again, MG Motor and Tata Power have a tie-up where they are installing a lot of fast 50 kilowatt DC chargers all across India, and they aim to establish around 200 charging stations in India. The last news which I shared was in Mumbai Pune highway. They had established 50 kilowatt DC chargers, and next news has come from Mangaluru, and they have established a 60 kilowatt DC super fast charger, guys. So this DC super fast charger has a cable which is CCS. I've already told that there are different kind of cables. In charging, in DC charging, there is CCS or CHAdeMO, but the market is now moving towards CCS type charging, and this is what this charger is. And MG-ZS EV comes with a CCS type DC charging port. So Tata Motor has tie up with MG-ZS EV, which in some way will also be this is Tata Power, and which in some way will also be helping Tata Motors electric vehicle segment. But one thing I would like to appreciate is that MG-ZS EV has taken that initiative as an OEM to establish at least some DC fast charging stations in collaboration with another private players. So it's a welcome move. Even other OEM should follow this suit. Mostly some of the OEMs just install one charging station outside the showroom, but MG-ZS EV looks like that they have taken this task very seriously, and that's really good news. And I believe that other OEMs should also try to establish some DC fast charging station. So this particular charging station, if you plug in your MG-ZS EV, it will charge it in around 50 minutes. So yeah, that's the news from Mangaluru. Okay guys, so the one last news that I would like to share is from this company ODC. It has been launching a lot of electric scooters and a lot of electric bikes. It has again launched another model. Actually, it's called E2Go low speed electric scooter, claiming a range of 60 kilometers. It has 1.26 unit lithium ion battery, and has a 250 watt motor, 60 volt BLDC motor. So I believe that it is somewhere in competition with Hero Electric Optima, which I had also shared in one of my videos. It also has a 1 unit battery. Now this is a low speed model, so I believe there will be no license required. So it's, I think, targeting the children or people with the not children, I'm sorry, but the younger people, or the school or college going people who may not need a license, guys. So you can check it out if you are looking for such kind of vehicle, guys. So that's it from my side for today. I hope you like the video. Do subscribe to the channel in case you want to stay updated about everything electric, guys. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.